Hi, my name is Olivia Horsfall, and for week 12 blog assignment, I decided to start it off on the very first page, A Human at page 1. I really enjoyed how Phillips came into the original no-text print of the book of A Human Document. He blacked out the original title and it became A Humanate. He also really illustrates a border around the original introduction, and it almost is set up like a map, and it's showing, the reader, this isn't a linear text. This is going to be a completely non-linear reading experience, and it's going to really be up to the reader to interpret, what is Phillips trying to get across? What is this new story? That is why this is a hypertext. It is chunked, it's individualized, and really, it can be read from any direction. I think that's what makes this story so unique. That, it is also illustrated, there's an arrow through the middle of the page, and it's almost like telling the reader, turn the page, see what I can reveal to you. What is this new idea? What has Phillips created out of, the original text? And I think that's what's so unique and what I really enjoyed about getting to learn about the Humanate and the Human Document. So thanks.